The Mediterranean diet has become a buzzword in health circles. Its rise in popularity isn't just a trend. Doctors have found genuine health benefits from this diet, making it a top recommendation for many. The historical perspective. The people living around the Mediterranean Sea, like those in Greece and Italy, have been known to live long, healthy lives. Early doctors and researchers noticed this and started studying their diets to understand the secret. A nutritional powerhouse. This diet is like a treasure chest of good stuff for our bodies. It focuses on fats that are good for the heart, lots of foods rich in things called antioxidants, and proteins that are lean, meaning they aren't fatty and are great for keeping us strong. Cardiovascular health. One big reason doctors love this diet? It's great for the heart. It helps lower the bad cholesterol in our bodies. This diet also has foods that fight against heart diseases and help maintain a healthy blood pressure. Weight management and diabetes control. People looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight can benefit from this diet. It also helps keep blood sugar levels steady, reducing the risk of diabetes, a common health problem nowadays. Brain health and neurological benefits. The brain is like the control center of our body. This diet helps protect the brain from diseases and keeps it working sharply. It might even help in reducing the risk of serious brain diseases like Alzheimer's. Digestive health advantages. For our stomach and digestion, the Mediterranean diet is like a best friend. It promotes a healthy balance of good bacteria in our stomach and reduces the risk of diseases in our digestive system. Cancer prevention potential. No one likes the word cancer. The good news? This diet can help lower the chances of some cancers. It has a lot of antioxidants, which are like shields for our body cells. Bone and joint health. Strong bones and healthy joints are important, especially as we grow older. The Mediterranean diet can help prevent bone loss and reduce pain and diseases like arthritis. Mental health and mood enhancement. Feeling blue? This diet can help uplift mood and reduce feelings of depression and anxiety. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, found in this diet, are like a boost for our brain's happiness levels. Supporting healthy aging. Everyone ages, but this diet can help us age like fine wine. It helps delay diseases that come with age and lets people live longer, happier lives. The importance of moderation. While wine is included in the Mediterranean diet, it's important to remember that moderation is key. This diet promotes balance in everything. Environmental and sustainability benefits. Surprisingly, this diet isn't just good for us but also for our planet. It supports farming that doesn't harm the environment and promotes fishing that doesn't empty our seas. Practical tips for implementation. Starting the Mediterranean diet can be easy. It's all about picking the right foods when shopping and planning meals around these healthy choices. Misconceptions and myths debunked. Some people might have the wrong idea about this diet. It's not about eating unlimited amounts of pasta or pizza. It's about fresh, natural foods that nourish the body. Endorsements from medical associations. Top health organizations and famous doctors give a big thumbs up to the Mediterranean diet for its multiple health benefits. Patient testimonials. Many people have tried this diet and seen great results. They've shared their stories, from losing weight to feeling more energetic and healthy. Challenges and considerations. Though it's awesome, this diet might not be perfect for everyone. Some might need to make small changes, especially if they have allergies or certain health problems. The Mediterranean diet comes with a stamp of approval from doctors everywhere for a reason. It's not just about staying fit but living a full, healthy life. Before making any big changes, it's always a good idea to chat with a doctor and get personalized advice.